Hi everyone, welcome to Imaging Study YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the installation process for Epson L3110 all-in-one inkjet printer. I highly recommend it to people for home and for small business works. It costs around $150 to $160 depending on where you live. For printing, scanning or copying, this is the best in this budget range. If you need the Wi-Fi one, then you can add some extra bucks for L3150 model. Here I have got the package. Let's open it. Got the warranty paper from the seller, installation disc and paper. My girl is very excited and helping me out. 4 ink bottles are provided in the package. Power cable, USB cable, removing all protective materials. You can have a look at the user manual provided for a quick guidance. Ink bottles are vacuum packed. We'll fill the ink first. Don't turn on the printer before that. Open the ink tank. Check the color sticker for each. Then open the cap and position the top of the ink bottle along the front of the filling port. Then slowly stand the bottle upright to insert it. No shaking or squeezing needed. This is a good spill-proof technique Epson has implemented here. Ink flows into the tank and stops automatically when the ink tank is filled. Remove the ink bottle then and securely close it with cap. Close the tank cover. Connect the power cable. Turn on the printer. After full blinking, red stop button will light up. Press the stop button for 5 seconds. Red and green lights start blinking and ink charging begins. Flip the feeder guard. Raise the paper support. Slide the edge guides all the way out. Load an A4 size paper. Slide the edge guide against the paper. Pull out the output tray. Raise the paper stopper. It will take few minutes to complete the ink charging and will waste a small amount of your ink. Power light will stop blinking when the job is done. Connect the USB cable. Insert the disk for software installation. You can also download them from Epson's website. You can skip the printer setup instructions. Install the driver. Then print your first paper. Check the quality. If you see poor quality, then don't get worried. Clean the nozzle from printer maintenance option. But before that, finish installing the app you want. I want to install the photo print and scanner apps, which are very useful. Finish the task. Now I am checking the nozzle from the printer setting. Printing another paper. It looks good. That's it. The printer is ready for work. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, then feel free to put that on the comment box below. Have a nice day.